Hello, this is the Nitro Obd2 Nitro scam chip that ain't worth buying. It's a load of rubbish, and I'll tell you for why. We put it through its tests on one of these, which does work. This is brilliant. This is the mini Obd2 card diagnostic scanner, which runs on Elm 327. Works brilliant through a tablet, and you download the Google Play app, Torg, and they're brilliant. For £1.50 or about $3, that is amazing, works brilliant. This is also $3 and it's a load of rubbish that don't work. We've done a before and after test with this on this, and it tells us that it don't work. We've got a measurement readout of the mass airflow rating, the reading, and the turbo PSI gauge, and also the horsepower of the car. The car is a Ford Galaxy Mark II VR6, and it's absolutely no different whatsoever when you put this chip on it. It's been proven. I've done another video on this before. A lot of people are giving me messages saying they've also tested this out and it don't work. They put it on a dyno and it's a load of rubbish. Inside of it, however, does look even more rubbish. Look at this, look. It's a tiny little chip inside. It's got a flashing LED and it don't work. It's a scam. Do not buy it. The best thing you can do with this, if you've got one, is this. Get it. Unless you get the chip.
Get it.
Nice one.
Smash off the end. Dad, smash off the end. Dad, smash off the end.
That's okay, go on.
You do it on the flat end. On the flat end. Oh,
that's good. Let's have a look. Final shot.
Look at that. Go. Look at that.
Hello, put it on there, that's it. And that's what you can do with your Chinese rubbish.
No. Now, guys, Daniel. Daniel,
have a little stamp on it.
Hey, Daniel, let me have the hammer and see if I can try hitting it in mid-air. Dan.
No, don't use it.
No, it's meant